Listen, if you've been trading in BTMM and still losing money, it is not because the strategy does not work. It's because there is one rule BTMM traders ignore almost every single trading week. And if you don't master this rule, you will keep blowing accounts, keep entering too early, and keep getting trapped by the exact same market makers. Today, I'm going to break it down so clearly that after this video, you will never look at the market the same way again. I'm about to show you the meaning of BTMM and the missing rule that reveals when the next market will reverse, why your entry fails, and how smart money traps retail trader every single week. Stay with me because this is where most beginners sabotage themselves, even those who claim to know how to trade BTMM very well. So welcome to this video. I'll be showing you the BTMM blueprint, and it's so simple. So what I'll be doing is that I will be going deeply into BTMM with some series of weeks. So I'll be uploading those videos, and stick with me to the very end because I can tell you BTMM is one of the most simplest strategy I have ever come across as a forex trader. Trust me, it is very simple to know, and I'm going to break it down to you. This video is a foundation to every other videos that I will be uploading. If you do not watch this video, then you might have problem with every other subsequent videos that I will be uploading. Once you have this foundation, you will be able to build on any other subsequent video. Without further ado, let us go into today's business. The BTMM blueprint. What is BTMM? BTMM stands for beats the market maker. Excuse me. Market maker. That's what BTMM, and it's popularized by Steve Muro. I don't need to type all this, but it's popularized by Steve Muro. Steve Muro was the one who popularized BTMM for everybody, and then for that we are now enjoying now. Though Steve Muro is not the inventor of BTMM, but he is the one that popularized it. Okay, yeah. So that being said, so what is BTMM all about? BTMM says that you are trading against the market makers. You know, in high city or in SMC will tell you that what drives the market or what controls the market is the algorithm. But in BTMM does not say it is the algorithm. BTMM says that market makers are the one that drives the market. That is, they are people. They are flesh and human like you and I. They are the ones that drive the market. So these are two perspectives. Even if BTMM will agree that algorithm also play part in driving the direction of the market, but it would also argue that this algorithm is being developed and implemented by humans, so therefore it has human input in it. So what BTMM is saying in nutshell is that if you are a human, you have to tackle the market like a human. So BTMM strategy is being developed with what we call a psychological number. Everybody knows that. Psychological number. Psychological number 3. That is what BTMM was developed. Everything I'm going to be teaching you about BTMM, it's all revolved around the psychological number of 3. Now, you as a human being, of course you're watching this video, then you would agree that the number 3 is a very, very important number in human race and in human history and human dealings day to day. I mean, hardly will you go about a whole day without applying this psychological number, probably in making of your choices, probably in the arrangement of things, in grouping. It's a psychological number, of course, you understand. So therefore, this psychological number also reflects in BTMM, in the market, since human beings are the one driving this market. So therefore, this psychological number also, this number 3 also is evident in the market, in as much as it is human that are driving the market. This is the position of BTMM, and BTMM says that if you do not trade in line with the market makers, that is those that control the market, then you'll be trapped. That is when you'll be losing money. But when you trade in line with them, that is when you'll be making money. So how can you trade in line with the market makers and you're not going to lose money? Number one, I've told you this is a liquid number. So what are they? Now we have number one, we have the session. Number two, we have the pattern. And number three, we have the level counts. So that is it. These are the three things that you need to do, that you need to know about BTMM. And this is everything I'll be teaching you in a couple of weeks coming about BTMM. I'm going to be going deep into it. Don't worry, it will be so simple for you. You don't trust me, if you watch every of the episode I'll be dropping, you will not have any cause to say you want to go and look for any other strategy. This is what you'll be missing. So so these are the three things you need to know about BTMM. So let me now break it down for you. The session, what do we mean by session? You will agree with me that we have different kind of sessions. We have about 7 sessions in the market. We have the Asian session, London session, New York session, Frankfurt, Sydney, all those. So you know, those are market sessions. That is when market opens, different time zones sessions. But BTMM now says that all these sessions are not really so important. They are not so important. That the ones that are important are just 3 numbers. Now let me break it down. You will see the Asian, London, and New York, or the one you know as US session. Yes. So can you see BTMM revolves around 3. Now the session is divided into how many again? 3. Asian session, London session, and the New York session. If you are living in Nigeria like myself, I would, as in the course of this video, I'll begin to give you when this time zone open. You will even know when they open, but there are some secrets to it that I'll be revealing. So can you see that the number 3 also still reflects, even after it has grouped them into 3, they still it still has 3. Now let's talk about the pattern. Now the pattern, we have let me just put it, Asian range, the stop ons, and the real move. Can you see also? How many is this? This is also 3. This 1, 2, 3. What's this? Can you see? It also groups to 3. Level counts. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. That is it also. How many also? 3. So obviously, even me looking at this, you should anticipate that this thing is going to be very, very simple, no doubt, because everything is just 3, 3, 3, 3. Yes, the session now. This is a story now. You might be thinking, oh, what is this guy saying? What does? Yes, this is what you need. No? Let me tell you what he does. Each of them, this is what they do. Now, the session tells you when. So you don't just want to come into the market and just trade anytime. No. What the question that the session solves is when you are to be in the market. I mean, if you are so busy, you can schedule yourself and say, okay, this is the time I'll be coming to come and trade. This is the time that my setup will be showing, because that is how powerful BTMM is. It's going to tell you when these setup are going to be shown in the market. So the session tells you when you are to come and enter the trade, or when it should be at the front of your chart, hunting for setup, hunting for trades to take. When you don't just want to say, okay, you woke up at the beginning of the night, then you want to take trade. No, you don't know when your setup is going to form. You don't know what you're looking for. This answers it when. Now the pattern, what question does the pattern solve? The question the pattern answer is what to trade. Very simple. That means when the session answers when to trade, now you are right on time. You know the time that you are to be at the front of your chart to trade. Then you get to the chart and then you trade. Then the pattern is telling you what to trade. That means you know what you are looking for. You know what you want to. You know the setup, the kind of setup that you are looking for to trade. So that is the question that the pattern is answering. What to trade. You are not just trading anyhow pattern. You are not just trading whatever you see. You are not just trading a pattern that is not consistent. I can tell you one of the reasons why you are losing money is that you are the pattern you are trading, or the set of the strategy you are trading, you are not consistent with it. But this is going to give you, this is the pattern, this is what you look for. If you don't see it, don't trade. If you see it, trade. This is what you are looking for. So the pattern is the what. So level count, what does the level count solves? Level count solves where? Yeah, that is it. The level count solves where. That is, where is your target? Where are you entering from? Did you understand? So you can, with the level counts, you know, okay, this is what I'm targeting. You know your stop loss, you know your take profits, you know where to exit the trade. You know if you are taking a trade and then you say, okay, this trade has not yet gotten to your TP, but we are going to know where this market is going to reverse. Oh, this market is about to reverse. Let me close out my trade. This is what the level count is going to show you. So you have the when to enter, when to come and look for setup. You have the what, you know what you are looking for in the market to trade. Then you know where your target, your exit. You know where to exit. You know where to enter. What else are you looking for in the market more than this? This is basically what BTMM is all about. Nothing more, nothing less. And I'm telling you, it's so simple, it's straightforward. It's like the only place I know that you might have a little bit of difficulty is in the level count. Aside of this, I don't think you have any other problem again. Well, the rest is a free ride. Okay, so I think so that's all for today's video. So coming subsequently, I'll be dropping some videos on each of these topics that I've highlighted. So this gives a foundation of what you're expecting, and you can know when I start talking about it, we'll be able to revert back to what I said here. Then you can know what I'm talking about. So folks, if you enjoy this content and then you gain value, make sure you like and then you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you share also. Leave a comment, whatever you want me to trade, whatever answers you want me to give, whatever question you have, drop it in the comment, and share this video to whoever you know that has any problem in trading. Okay, see you next week and stay